Good morning, everyone. Again, welcome back to Sam and Limi's Wellness Gossips. So, as you know, I am Sam and she is Limi. So, we both are into fitness industry. Today, we are going to cover some of the mindset which is required for weight loss. Right. So, when you're in a weight loss journey, what kind of mindset is required? Because most of them fail here because they think it's only about eating, working out,
Only about your body.
what your body is actually, but actually your mindset also adds at least 20% of your weight loss is taken care by your mindset. So if you have a good mindset, it can be taken care. The first thing which I want to cover in the mindset is believe in yourself. So most of them have this problem, like they don't believe in themselves. They can do a potentially good job, but they think that okay, they cannot do it. They think they cannot go for a weight loss. They can think they cannot prepare the right food. They think that they cannot have maintain the right time to eat food. They have office, they have all those stuffs actually. So many things going in their mind. So only thing you need to have a mindset is when you're getting into any journey, it could be weight loss, it could be corporate or personal, any journey of your life. First thing is to make sure your mind saying that I want to achieve this and I will achieve this. I have much that. So to have that right belief in yourself, you need to have a right why in place. Why do you want to actually reduce the weight? If your why factor is very clear, then your belief automatically comes in. So most of them do not have that why factor. Because we have noticed most of them coming to our community, so we ask them, why do you want to reduce weight? And the answer what we get is something like this: next week I have my niece's birthday party and I want to look little slim. I have a marriage coming up, I want to look little slim. Very few of them tell that my body is important to me and I want to be healthy. Now I want to make sure my family being healthy, or maybe I want to live this healthy life for next 50 years. Those kind of reasons are very less. So if you have that right kind of reason, so automatically belief comes in the order. But if you're having a fancy reasons just for a birthday you want to reduce weight, then after 5 days or 6 days again you will regain, because your why factor is not very strong enough to go with that.
Someone says that they want to reduce weight because they want to eat nicely in the party.
Yes.
So these are the fancy reasons.
Because they come to our 30 days programs and say that okay, next month there is a marriage and I want to go to marriage and eat nicely so that I can reduce weight, which is actually not a strong reason to lose weight. If you have a strong reason, then you can easily lose weight, because you will definitely put all that effort to make sure you're losing the weight.
Okay, so on the similar note, I just want to talk mainly about the women. See, what I want to say is, during the weight loss, if you have decided for weight loss, don't think of the things what you can't. Think of the things what you can. So what I mean to say here is, if I take ladies' perspective, if they're married, they have kids, they have job, they have in-laws to take care, they have to take care of their husband. So what they say is, I have all these problems. I have to take care of all these things. I have to look into my job. I can't do cooking for myself, or I can't go into this weight loss program. I can't join the workout. So these are the can'ts or don'ts, what they say, that they can't do it, they don't have time. What we say is, have a proper communication with us and think of what they can do, because being in a family also they can do lots of things.
Absolutely.
So they have to think of the things how can they manage
things. For example, I can give it to you. So we had a lady in our community where they came for a weight loss, and she had 2 kids, and normally she was not eating food on time. One of the reason being she was eating food after she feed her baby. So she thinks that okay, I have to feed my baby first, then only I should eat, and things like that. But there is nothing like that. So as far as you are giving food to your baby, it's good. So you are taking care of you're a mom. You know how much you love them actually. So what you have to do is probably half an hour before you finish your food, so that you don't starve, and happily give that food to them. So most of the times what happens is you're unhappily feeding your fit kid as well.
Exactly.
That you're hungry, you're frustrated, and sometimes you're beating them because they're not eating, they're running away and things like that.
It's not because
you don't love them or something like that.
Because it's
automatically
you are hungry also.
Correct. Automatically the frustration comes out actually, right? So what we can do is actually, you half an hour before you finish your food, you finish your lunch, you finish your dinner, and aram se take your time and feed your kids actually, which will become more happier, and they will also be happy, you will also be happy.
Small change itself, she was able to reduce her weight.
Absolutely. And also probably if your husband, your mom-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, so you just have to communicate to them in the right way. That's it. So I want to cover one more thing as well. So if you the third point which I want to cover is, see, some of the people would have already tried some of the weight loss in the past actually, because definitely if you're obese and if you have more weight, you would have been looking for weight loss plans and things like that, and you would have tried something, you would have failed as well, probably did not work out for you, or maybe you would have not got a right program also to that. So when you come into any community, so one thing we need to think about is, just leave the past. Don't think about, okay, that did not work for me, this also will not work for me. So believe in this, believe in your coach, believe in yourself, and say that, okay, the new program which I'm going to take it up, it is definitely going to help me. It's something like this, if you go into the corporate, every corporate you may not grow, but sometimes you get into some corporate, some company, and the growth will be tremendous there. So it's because you found that right person in a right time. So sometimes you are not able to find it. It doesn't mean that company is bad or you are bad, actually, that you are not there at the right time. And the same thing happens with weight loss as well. If you have tried some 5 to 6 programs, don't worry about it. If you're trying a 6th program, believe in that 6th program completely and say that, okay, I am going to make this time.
Don't say that, oh, in my previous chart it was not there, you are giving me something else, will this work for me? Am I eating more?
Probably keep the Google separately, Google aside. So when you are getting into any community for a weight loss, keep the Google aside. Don't think, okay, because Sam is...
You get lots of information there that may be useful or may not be useful for you.
Correct, absolutely. So you can keep the Google aside and then make sure you're going with a plan what you're getting in this way. So don't let your negative past to impact your positivity in the future, right? So that's that. Whatever is past, you cannot bring that back. So just see how we can focus on the present and take it forward.
Correct. And one more important thing I want to say is, not only in the weight loss, anytime when we are cooking, as most of the houses, women will be cooking. So when we are cooking, we must be in a happy mood. It's not that we are frustrated and cooking. So make sure whatever you are cooking, you make a plan of that earlier itself or a previous night itself, and make it in a happy mood. Be happy while cooking, because that energy also flows through the food.
Correct.
If you believe it in the spirituality or not, but that is true, because if you are not happy while cooking, that food is not going to give you the nutrients or whatever it's required for your body. It's not going to give.
Actually, in the spiritual world, what they say is, if you're frustrated and cooking at home and saying that, okay, I have to cook for all these people at home, I am frustrated, I cannot do this more.
Everything I only have
to do things. If you're frustrated and cooking, basically in a spiritually, what they say is, you are slowly giving a poison to your family. You're feeding a poison, but it's not a poison. They will die tomorrow. Over a period of time, it is going to have health issues and problems in their life. So be happy always while cooking, so that you need to put a lot of love into the food what you're cooking, so that when it goes inside your body, the love is nurtured inside and brings a lot of good results for you.
Sure.
Right. So what I want to end with is, see, mind body connection is always there. It's not only about body. So you may go to gym for 2 hours, and if your mindset is not good, you'll not be able to build your muscles or body. You cannot lose your weight. You cannot be healthy. So the mindset is more important. So it's both are connected. So we would suggest, go for some book reading, probably watch some good videos about weight loss, where they're speaking positive about weight loss. Maybe you can go for, join some community with, positive communities and all, where they motivate you to do some of the things when you take up those kind of things. There are various things available in the market actually. We also run a book club as well. So where people come into it, we help them to read books like mindset books, leadership books, positive thinking books, so that they can blend with that actually, weight loss and book reading and things like that. So the positivity comes in and you easily lose weight, right? So mindset and both the body and mindset is connected. So both are important. So if you don't have a right mindset, getting into any community will not give you results. So you should have a right mindset with the right diet and the right thing you're eating, as well as doing some workouts can help you to do a healthy weight loss. Okay, if you're watching our video and if you like it, please make sure you're liking, clicking on the like, as well as sharing or commenting on our video, so that it can reach more people, and it can help us also to we reach more people to help them out, live a healthy life. So thank you very much for now till we come up with next video. Okay, have a nice day.